I'm not even sure it's even charged. So let's see if it actually works. Holy crap-a-totally! Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I got something that's been seen on TV. I'm sure you've seen it. And we're going to do an unboxing of this thing. It's called the Bionic Spotlight. I think you've seen this before. I know you have. If it gets the JoeteckTips and it's an awesome rating, we're going to do it right now. Slide this baby out. Wow. Here we go. So we have the solar panel is here, and the spotlight here, and a motion sensor. It looks like a camera, but it's not. It's a motion sensor. All right, so you still use this part here. Either you mount it to the wall, tighten it up. It's actually, you can tighten it up here, and then this stays more stiff. So you have a ball mount here, and then the hole is the same diameter as this stake. Stick it in like so, stick the stake in like this, and then you could adjust it accordingly and stick it into the ground. Very cool. Interesting. So the only thing is that we have no idea how bright it is. I'm not even sure it's even charged. So let's see if it actually works. Holy crap-a-totally. So we get, Jesus Christmas. So it is charged. Wow. This has been in the box for about a month. And the battery is still charged. That's pretty darn good. I'm impressed. So there's a knob here to adjust the tension of the solar panel. So wherever it's mounted, it'll still get, you can adjust it for the amount of sun, of what direction you want it in, which is great. So the question is this user replaceable battery on the inside? Let's check this out. Let's see if this gets the JoeteckTips and some rain. It does! Yeah, buddy! Nice! This is actually smaller than the typical battery that's inside of these things. This is only an 1800 milliamp battery, which is interesting because majority of them are 2200. So this is 400 milliamps smaller than the typical light that we have reviewed in the past. So that's unique. This will last pretty much all night because it's just for motion. So that's great. So you can use this as a spotlight for a location when you're walking. I like it. 1800 milliamp is perfectly fine. I like it because it gets the JoeteckTips and it's an awesome rating because this is replaceable. So that's great news. This is really, really good news. So let's go check it out outside and see how well it does. Let's go do that. All right, so this is the light. So I'll put it away. No light whatsoever. And here's the light, so you can actually see it, okay? So you don't think I'm not using the actual device itself. So this is the light. It's crazy bright. Look at this thing. This is nuts. That's great. So I'll take the light away so you can see. Nothing. Now we could see. Nothing. Now we could see. This is great. Holy crap. And this is one light. God. There we go. That is super bright. So it's only one. It's on or off. And it's a spotlight. And that is crazy. Look at that. You can light up the whole room. That's crazy. That is nuts. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Let's see if anybody comments that I did this part a different day. Because this shirt is different. The first person who comments will get a $25 Amazon gift card. Take care and we'll see you next time.